Yannon says, do you think it's in bad taste for a creator to beg for money from their audience for an easily winnable lawsuit? Keep in mind they've bragged about their wealth, such as buying an expensive sports car.
I did get my GT 500.
Oh God! Look at
Congratulations!
Beautiful, man.
So this is here in my driveway.
God.
That is a sexy car.
Very sexy,
man. So Nick, I have a
fucking loud. I'm trying really hard to avoid a GoFundMe on it, but tomorrow I wire out the retainer. So depending on how things go, I might do one. I think they're referencing me.
Are they referencing you?
Which I have not done, by the way. I said that I'm not a super fan of doing. I may do a GoFundMe for my lawsuit against Montegraph,
right?
But I haven't done it yet. And I also said I would prefer to like give people something if they're gonna contribute to it. But yeah, begging for money is not something I've ever done from anybody. So I guess. But is it bad form? I don't know.
But once again, I mean, look at, I mean, Nate did a fundraiser for his lawsuit against Boozy, right? I'm sure that Nate could have afforded that if he wanted to, but you know, I don't see any problem with that because people wanted to contribute to it.
So I want to let you guys know for the first 30 minutes, I'm going into the Boozy stuff. I'm going to show you what I've spent money on already. I'm going to show you what we've already got back. I'm going to show you where we're going with this. So you will have, as far as an update of where we're at, where we're going, and what we are doing. The legal team is already on everything on the legal end. We have private investigators doing something on the private investigation end. So, you know, I always feel, you know, if we're going to do it, let's do it right and let's get it all together. First things first, I need to ask, or actually I don't need to ask. I want to make a quick statement and say first, thank you so much, everyone, for having my back. Thank you for being a part of this community, and thank you for seeing things for what they are. I show your fundraiser on other streams. Thank you so much, Jameson. Maverick says, one thing I learned from Perry Mason and Matlock, even great lawyers need private investigators. Of course, you got to go in and get everything right. You got to know. Why would you sue somebody who you don't know who they are? You got to know. So it's 101. 101. I would be wasting your money. Listen, people, I want to make it very sure. I would be wasting your time and money if I didn't do this pre-litigation stuff. If I didn't go and say, who's this person? What's being involved in? What's the past? It just doesn't make sense to do this without knowing your opponent.
Over here, we got the haters. Did I read all the super chats just like you? Yannon for $1 said, Nate wasn't bragging about buying his Mustang. That's the difference, you retard. He was afraid I wasn't going to read that super chat. I'm like, I read them all. Like,
oh no, please don't judge me for buying a car.
I just want people to know this is where we're going with this, right? We're going with the lawsuit, and whatever happens with the lawsuit, again, with these type of lawsuits, it's such a wild card. It can be dismissed. It can go on. Who really knows? All those things we want to now hold them accountable to, and we want the information. So that's what we're going for. We're going to win this. We want to win this lawsuit, but we want to do it where I don't waste your time and money. So we want to do it strategically. So that's the plan. First, there would be no Nate the lawyer without my family. I got to thank them totally. Right? They allow me to do this and support me. So I got to thank them. This is so it's been amazing.
As people may know, I've been looking for a fast car for a long time. I've always wanted a fast car as a kid. And then I couldn't, when I could start maybe affording a fast car, I couldn't ever get one because I had all these damn kids.
Like,
oh no, please don't judge me for buying a car.